Get into a kneeling position. You want the band anchored at the same height as the crease of your hip right here. You want the band to be pulling directly behind you. Now you're going to put your foot in through the band and you're gonna loop it right up in the hip crease, all the way up in here. This is gonna pull directly behind you from this position. So you're going to be working this leg first. You're gonna do the reps on this leg, and then you're gonna repeat for the reps on this leg to complete one set. And then you're gonna do the suggested amount of sets and reps in this exercise. Now, this leg is going to be down on the ground. So your knee's gonna be down on the ground here. Then you're gonna take this foot and bring it up on the mat. So you're gonna be in this half kneeling position. Now from here, you wanna make sure that your hips are square. You also wanna make sure that your back is straight. You wanna resist any type of like twisting or turning that you feel might be happening there. Make sure that everything is straight. Squeeze your abs, so engage those abs. And then what you're going to do is you are going to slightly tuck the pelvis. You're gonna squeeze this back glute right here, and you are gonna push forward and hold this position for 10 seconds. And then once you're done, you're gonna slowly come back in, such a controlled movement, and you're gonna continue doing the reps, squeezing this back glute right here, getting a nice lunge in here, holding for that 10 seconds, and then you're gonna come back in. Now, when you're done with those reps on that one side, what you'll do is you'll repeat this. I'll show you what it looks like so you guys can get a different angle from this side. So again, this one is gonna be, this knee is gonna be pointing down on the ground here. It's right up in the crease. This leg is gonna be right on, your foot is gonna be on the ground here. And then again, slight tuck in the pelvis, keeping the hips square. Lunge forward, squeeze this back glute, hold that position. You should feel that right in the hip flexor of this back leg right here, and then come back in. So you're just gonna continue doing this, finishing up your reps, and do those suggested sets.